Good morning, and we have Bajaj Finance, which has come out with its Q3 operational update. A very strong update coming in for Q3 FY22 from Bajaj Finance, where we're seeing the AUM surely pick up. Loan growth is also seeing a pick up sharply. But what was a bit of a concern is the deposit tractions has surely slowed down. I'm so sorry for that. But moving on, let's continue. I will take you all through how the Q3 update is coming in. Now, this quarter actually has been one of its strongest quarters since COVID in terms of the growth for the company, and especially Q3 is obviously a seasonally strong quarter for the company compared to Q2, because Q2 normally does have festive season coming in as well. Now overall, their new customers also have inched up higher. New customer acquisitions have inched up higher sequentially as well, and the number of loans that are disbursed by the company also is significantly higher on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But when you compare it, it is 4% lower than the corresponding pre-COVID quarter of 2019, but sequentially surely seeing an improvement coming in over there. Now the company has actually acquired 2.6 million customers in Q3 FY22, which is higher than prior quarter of 2.4 million customers. So obviously, like I mentioned, Q3 is quite a seasonally strong quarter because Q2 is mainly festivities coming in over there. So the number of customers acquired in Q3, overall, when you look at it, it's largely similar to those compared to the pre-COVID times, that is Q3 FY20 as well and Q3 FY19 as well. So similar levels of the pre-COVID times when we are comparing it to that. Now AUMs have grown by 9% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 1.8 trillion rupees, and which is ahead of the expectations of around a 6% growth what the street was expecting. So surely better than that as well. Now just like I mentioned before as well, that while AUMs have grown, loans is also seeing a growth, and disbursement is seeing a pickup as well. But what was a bit of a concern was the deposit traction, like I mentioned. Now that has surely slowed down, and the growth is at its lowest, coming in at 3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis only. So surely that is something that we will be keeping an eye out on, and you all should also, in terms of earnings coming out from the company. Now when you overall compare in terms of the RBI's new policy, new guidelines on the non-performing loans classification, and on that does not have a major impact on that on the company as of now, is what is highlighted, and especially on the asset quality of the company, no major impact that we could see coming in there. And its adequacy ratio, capital adequacy ratio, that's important that we should keep an eye out on. That's quite healthy as well, coming in at 27%. And overall, Bajaj Finance has trimmed its balance sheet liquidity by 15% sequentially as well. So surely strong update coming in from Bajaj Finance.